Hi, TikTok. I was asked to respond to this, and I certainly understand being jaded after, knowing that your elderly parents had been scammed. My best advice, if you think your uncle and his male caregiver are in a relationship that is coercive, demanding, your uncle's not being cared for, he's being neglected, or he's being spoiled and coerced away from his family, that is an issue. And that is where we do background investigations. So I don't know who this male caregiver is. I don't know how he was hired or how he became your uncle's caregiver. But, most caregiving agencies do a cursory background check. They have to run the fingerprints through the DOJ, the Department of Justice. Hi, Mom. But that doesn't mean that that person hasn't scammed someone before. It just means they don't have any felonies on their record. So I always advise that the family get a background investigation ASAP to find out who this guy is, what his history is, what he's about. Is he a grifter? Was he formerly homeless? Because I've had that happen before with clients. Did he seek out your uncle in order to con him? Is he a really nice guy and he just loves taking care of someone else? So, the background check covers all the areas. We dive deep into the person's background. We can even interview people that they've been entangled with in the past. We look for any sign of litigiousness. In other words, are they somebody that just serial files lawsuits against people? Are there people out there that have judgments against him for doing similar things? Is he basically bankrupt and would not have a roof over his head except for your uncle? These are all things to take into consideration, and that's why we always advocate for background investigations, especially with caregivers for the elderly. And I know that families are really stretched thin, and not all families can take care of their elderly loved ones themselves. There's a lot of different situations out there. I pass no judgment on that. I know very hardworking people who cannot care for their elderly. So they trust someone to come in and do that, and that's why we do the background investigations. I hope that answers your question. If you have more questions, feel free to DM me or email me at anna@stowinvestigations.com. Thank you.